So it's still cold out. Eventually we're going to get back on the projects. It's just, you know, a lot of stuff is cold outside. If you can't tell, if you see, you know, it's cold. But anyway, I want to show you today a video on how I got the HYDROBOOST hooked up onto this Swap C30, because I know a lot of you have been asking how I did it, how the cables and stuff is run, and if you're doing a HYDROBOOST swap, then this video should be helpful. Now everything's a little messy under the hood because I ain't messed with this truck any at all. We got the new radiator, fan shroud and stuff in it. It's just been snowing and cold, and I'm not a cold weather type of person. I don't know if you are. But anyway, the HYDROBOOST, let's just go ahead and take a look at it. This will be your HYDROBOOST unit. You would mount it to your firewall. If you didn't come factory, you would have to pretty much make that bracket. Sometimes you can buy an aftermarket bracket, but that's the normal GM HYDROBOOST. It's exactly the same, besides the bore size hole. But, you know, you can take older master cylinders, put on newer boosters. Newer booster, master cylinder, you know, from HYDROBOOSTs, you have to shave down the boss a little. But it's pretty much interchangeable. Now you can see the two lines. You got a pressure, and here's the, I think the pressure, not 100% on that, but you can see how my lines is right here, and they come down, and they go here. Now, oh, I got a leak though, I didn't know it. I need to fix that leak. Anyhow, this goes right to the, this is a factory HYDROBOOST line from a factory, you know, C30. It's nothing fancy. You can get these. I don't know if the newer model truck lines will fit, but all this is factory 86 C30. 1986 C30, C20 HYDROBOOST lines. They bolt in, go to the steering. This is this big line here. You can see it goes up, goes around, goes here, into here. This line goes here, goes here, goes around, goes down into the back of the power steering pump. This return line here goes up, if you can see, right here, and into right here. Okay, that's the return line. And then you got another line that goes in. That completes everything. Now, what it is, this has an extra return spot. If you see right here, and it goes into here, into the steering box. Now this is a HYDROBOOST reservoir for LS truck. They two different reservoirs. One does not have this extra thing here. Now you can use the regular LS reservoir with this, but you would have to put a T into your line. It's simple, just buy the reservoir and put the reservoir onto your pump. Do I think the HYDROBOOST is worth the upgrade? I personally like HYDROBOOST, especially if you ain't got room for a booster. And on a big truck that you're going to tow with, or you pull some stuff with, you can see like this C30, it works out great. Hopefully we get on this project soon. Hopefully you found this video useful and helpful. If you need any more information, let me know in the comment section below. And I know a lot of you, wait, do you have to do your hood like this to get it to shut? I do. I know a lot of you watch my videos, ain't subscribed yet, so take the time, hit that subscribe button, I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna go in where it's warm, because it's extremely cold here.